Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to try out this bezel styling for the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 from Spigen. So I just got it and I wanted to make this video to give you some idea in case you are looking for one for your Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. For me, having a styling bezel is going to be useful for protection. Even though I have a screen protector applied also by Spigen, you can check it out. This Glass TR Easy Fit for Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. We can see that I got actually the silver one. There is another color which is black. As you see, it arrives in a very simple packaging. Let's see how nice it's gonna be. So here is the styling bezel. It comes pre-applied with adhesives, so you can install it right away. It honestly look pretty nice. You can see it has this silver looking. It has also nice reflection. It's made out of stainless steel, very reflective, but it's at least made out of metal. It's not plastic, so we apply it like this. The arrow should be at the top. It comes with this pry tool, so you can remove the styling bezel from it. It also has those extra adhesives in case you decided to remove it and put it back on, or it became loose for any reason to install it back again. If the original tape adhesive fails, simply replace it with the extra. So you can use those adhesives for extra 2 times. So in total, you have 3 times of adhesives, enough for it. And it's pretty simple. You just need to clean it, remove the adhesive peel, and apply it on. As you see, the arrow should be at the top. This way it could align well, along with the design of the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. I'm gonna clean the watch. You see this screen protector is so beautiful from Spigen. You can see it covers exactly edge to edge without leaving any kind of gap. So I really love what Spigen has been doing with their accessories for Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, because you see like it's covering 100% of the display. It's made out of glass and it looks really great. Like you see how deep blacks are exactly the same as the sapphire crystal on the original screen. Hopefully this styling bezel is gonna look great as well. So remove this. So beautiful looking, very nice shine. You see the silver along with the black is adding a beautiful contrast. You see like along with this trail band in blue like jeans, we have a very nice mixture of colors now. Maximum also protection, this way it would elevate a little bit the screen. Very nice material also. To me it looks wonderful. I'm not really exaggerating, it really looks awesome. You see like even you guys can see it. It looks wonderful, very shiny, very reflective. I like the stainless steel, the color, the kind of contrast it adds like to the space gray. So if you are looking for a great styling bezel for your Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, I'll give this one a try from Spigen Bezel Tune, and it's silver, as you see, stainless steel. And what's nice about it is that it has those 2 times adhesive replacement. So in case it became loose or for any reason you wanted to remove it, you still have 2 more coverage of adhesives. And it also has this included pry tool to help you remove it. So I believe that this styling bezel is truly the best for Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. It looks truly wonderful. I really like the contrast. Like you see, it adds a very beautiful vibe to Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. I'm very impressed by it. So now we have the full protection for Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. I'm very satisfied with it. Very easy application. Gives it a very nice style and shine. I like the material of it, the build quality. I definitely recommend this one along with the trail band blue. They really look awesome. Let me show you. You see how nice? I'm very glad I got it. Like this way it's gonna protect it from kind of like if you knock it by accident, it's gonna take on most of the damage on this part, on the bezel. And we have the screen protector. So if you are looking for a great styling bezel for your Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 to protect your investment, I'll give this one a try. I hope that you found it somehow useful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Techosor to be in the know for future tech videos. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.